I remain Senator Peter Onyekachi Nwebonyi with the golden crown of Ebonyi Senatorial Zone of Ebonyi State. Mr. President, I rise to support this bill, and I'm doing that considering what I can describe as total infrastructural transformation that is ongoing in FCT today. It therefore requires the cooperation of the Parliament to enable the Honorable Minister, Wike, to continue his good works. Mr. President, digesting further the budgetary provision, we can see that much provisions are made for the infrastructure development of the capital city, which is the citadel of power for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Another area I would like to use this medium to draw the attention of the FCT Minister is the people living within the Abuja airport. Mr. President, I want the FCT Minister to extend his infrastructure development of the city within the surroundings of the Abuja airport. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, if you are descending into Abuja airport, the habitants, the type of infrastructure within the environs, Your Excellency, does not represent the good image of this country. And I think that the FCT Minister should capture in their next budget, if not incorporated in this, to either relocate the habitants of the people within the airport or renew the area, at least, because that is the mirror of the country as we are descending into Abuja airport. Some of us, if you take into account to view the variance of the airport while descending into Abuja, you will agree with me, Excellency, there is an eyesore. It doesn't give good image of the nation, and I think something has to be done about it. So I urge you, all my colleagues, to support this all-important bill, all geared towards transforming completely the FCT of Nigeria. Thank you.
So, no, if you are coming from the airport,
if you are descending,
the first place you see,
if you are descending,
let's take it gently.
Yes, Excellency.
The first place you see on the right is the presidential wing. Thereafter, you come across a very beautiful flyover.
Yes, Excellency.
Which is almost like a boulevard. You understand? And you now descend towards the road that comes to the airport. Then when you get to the airport road, you now see 8 lanes,
yes,
complete with street lights.
Yes, Excellency.
Particularly in the night, very beautiful.
Yes, Excellency.
And all that. So, which part gives you cramps in your stomach?
It's the back of the airport, yes, let's say. At the back of the airport.
That when you are inside a plane.
Yes, Excellency.
That is somebody's village, oh.
Yes, Excellency. But it's within the capital territory.
No,
and there is no how, if you are landing.
The owners of that village, those are their houses. That's what they can afford. But are you saying that we should go to those villages and evacuate them so that when your plane is coming down, what you will see high rises?
Your Excellency.
No, I want to understand.
Yes, Your Excellency.
You are talking about when you look out of the window.
Yes, Your Excellency.
You want to see beautiful Chinese infrastructure.
Yes, Your Excellency.
But that is what that place belongs to people.
No, Your Excellency, this is the capital territory of Nigeria. And we are talking of the image of the nation.
Okay, so the image of the nation starts with when your plane is descending.
Your Excellency.
And then you look at what happens in a place like Akpabio. When you descend, you see water and you see creeks. So we should eliminate the creeks and close.
No, Your Excellency.
So that it will not spoil your eyes.
Your Excellency.
That is the image of the nation.
Your Excellency, everybody that uses Abuja Airport will agree with me, sir. But the issue is, what do we do? What do we do?
Okay. Distinguished colleagues, all those that use Abuja Airport, Abuja Airport, do you agree with him? Those in support say aye. No, those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The nays have it. So there is a lot of disagreement. This is Senator Abiro.